10th. They play tomorrow at Liverpool. Sheffield United in 7th position, bottom half of the table. It's most interesting with Manchester United in...
Really well. It's making it really difficult for Frank Lampard to leave him out. That's what he's got to do today. We know he's got the ability. Can he do it? Can he do it today?
And Frank's proven that he will pick people on merit, not on reputation.
Willian does have a go. Watching by Tarkowski.
Hіghlіghts, he had his first at Leicester last weekend. Having come on 8 times as a substitute before that. Goal kick.
Well,
big leap by Zuma. There's a judge to have committed a foul. And he's still clutching his head in recent times. Here he is, left-footed. Curls it in. That was right on the money. And it's not cleared yet. Yes, it is. Corner kick. But again, what a... Need to serve as Tarkowski's there. It's over his head. Arriving is Hendrick, but he won't be able to keep that in play. Here's Mount. It's a lovely ball. Mount with the shot. Blocked very well by Peters. Pulisic was tackled. And here's Willian. And he's got Abraham in the penalty area. BurnIey clears off balance with his left foot. By Chelsea. Willian again. And it's good organisation by Burnley.
what you've got to do when you're playing against Burnley. You've got... Yeah.
And the ball threaded through towards Ashley Barnes. He's flicked a Chelsea. Steps away from Jorginho. Still McNeil. There's the cross. Shots. And it's straight at Aretha. All killed by Westwood. Toward Hіghlіghts. Pulisic, they step over on the left foot, and he scores! What a moment for Christian Pulisic! His first Premier League goal! Rejoice, America! Pulisic's on the score sheet for Chelsea. Burnley 0, Chelsea 1. It was a fabulous finish.
Well, they were looking, Burnley, like they were starting to get some control of the game. They've got comfortable possession there. Lowton completely miscontrols it.
A great moment for US soccer, but now they've got some defending to do. But Barnes has left the ball behind. What an opportunity that's gone there. Centre lifted again. Chance here and it's sent. Well, it's not sent over the bar, it's still in. Now Peters. Burnley building a head of steam here to the back post. Lowton is there. And the corner is conceded, is it? No, it's a throw. Searching ball. And through to pieces with the volley. Takes a deflection. What a save. Aretha Balaga. He was already diving. To the save by Aretha Balaga. Hopefully I don't have to say that sentence too often. Curled in by Mount. Nick Pope able to gather cleanly. Won back high up the pitch by Burnley. And the cross is a little too deep. And there's time. And this time Michael Oliver does award the free kick. Leaves it for Westwood towards the back post again. Mees coming in on it. He gets the header. There, Barnes, oh dear! He just didn't seem to attack it. Tammy Abraham.
For Burnley, Chelsea have got to be a bit more clever than they have been. They've had plenty of warning signs about giving away free kicks in these areas. In the last 10 minutes, 40% of free kicks.
Will one of them pay off? Me with the header again, but the flag is up on the near side. They went a little too early. That's now McNeil slides it in towards Barnes. Barnes with the shot. Well, he's seeing plenty of opportunities in the Chelsea penalty. Still Pulisic. Looks for the give and go. The angle wasn't quite right. With been happy with the second goal. Falls again to the American. It was on target, but it was blocked on his left flank. He's got Jorginho available. He flicks it in towards the back post. Alonso is there, but so too Lowton, who concedes the corner by Jorginho. He has to check his run to stay on side. The flick on by Pulisic.
The drive and forward with the ball is terrific. Finds Abraham in a good position.
That's a lovely bit of football, that by Chelsea.
On the right foot this time, and he floats it out nicely to Willian with the volley. He sliced it slightly. Mr. Lequeta down the line, look at the space here for Mason Mount. The cross comes in. Christian Pulisic switches to his right foot, into the penalty area, takes a deflection, but Christian Pulisic has his second goal of the game. He's taken the Premier League by storm here today, the American. A confident, positive performance by him and by Chelsea. Burnley 0, Chelsea 2, Pulisic has them both.
Well, it's another mistake. It's Tarkowski this time, sloppy ball into midfield to Willian, and you see the gaps
coming up on Premier League half-time. Rebecca Lowe, Robbie L, Carl Martino and Robbie Muslien, followed by 3 matches at 12:30, highlighted by Liverpool. The path of Peters. It's a testing ball into the near post. In the end, I think it's off the start of this second half. Here's McNeil, who had some good moments in the first half. That will... in with his right foot. Well, then flicks it on, but straight. Well, it was a bit of play at the start of this second half. Sat up nicely for Cork. The flag has stayed down for Barnes. Well, that'll be interesting to see the replay. The flag stayed down. It would have obviously third or fourth opportunity he's had this afternoon.
That's difficult. That one that's coming over your shoulder.
80s. 1888, I think, the first season. Here's Rodriguez. Low drive, and it's straight into the midriff of Aretha. But then he's closed down, and that should be a yellow card. But it's an advantage being played. Dwight McNeil against Kovacic. The advantage is Laqueta, very well in a tight area. Westwood, one for his strikers to get. Christian Pulisic on a hat-trick, slides it through towards Abraham. Pulisic finds Alonso, and it's a... loads him with the clearance. Oh, the header comes in, goodness me, he's done it again! Christian Pulisic has a hat-trick! Would you believe it? What a moment for the man from Pennsylvania! A fabulous header into the back post. 3 for Christian Pulisic, 3 for Chelsea here at Turf Moor. What a moment for the American.
Well, the first corner gets kicked out.
Abraham, here's Willian. Chelsea rampant now. Oh, goodness me, what a finish that is. Willian's in on the act. And there's clear daylight now between Burnley and Chelsea. It's 4-0 at Turf Moor.
This is just remarkably well finished by Willian. Chelsea, they've got Burnley where they want them, obviously, with a scoreline, but they're forcing them to attack, and then this...
But here's Cork. It's now Rodriguez. Here's a chance for Burnley to get on the score sheet. Rodriguez! Tremendous defending by Tomori. What a recovery and a tackle that is by the young Englishman.
But predominantly a right back.
And he finds Jade Rodriguez. He's going to go for it from distance. So that's not a bad effort. It's a stunning strike by Jade Rodriguez. Well, that's the goal of the day. It'll all be in vain for Burnley. But they'll give the Burnley fans something to talk about tonight. Fabulous goal.
Well, this is the bit. Pulisic gets caught in possession. That's the bit he's got to learn, the learning curve.
He's got a cultured left peg on him. McNeil again. He goes for the shot. That takes a deflection. And it's 4-2. A late Burnley flurry here at Turf Moor. And there's 2 goals in it. Then we have a minute remaining plus stoppage time. Pulisic, the step over on the left forward, and he scores! What a moment for Christian Pulisic! His first Premier League goal! Rejoice, America! Pulisic's on the score sheet for Chelsea. Burnley 0, Chelsea 1. It was a fabulous finish.
Well, they were looking, Burnley, like they were starting to get some control of the game. They've got comfortable possession there. Lowton completely miscontrols it.
Christian Pulisic switches to his right foot into the penalty area, takes a deflection, but Christian Pulisic has his second goal of the game. He's taken the Premier League by storm here today, the American. A confident, positive performance by him and by Chelsea. Burnley 0, Chelsea 2. Pulisic has them both.
Well, it's another mistake. It's Tarkowski this time, sloppy ball into midfield to Willian, and you see the gaps
coming up on Premier League half. Loads him with the clearance. Oh, the header comes in, goodness me, he's done it again! Christian Pulisic has a hat-trick! Would you believe it? What a moment for the man from Pennsylvania. A fabulous header into the back post. 3 for Christian Pulisic, 3 for Chelsea here at Turf Moor. What a moment for the American.
Well, the first corner gets kicked out.
Abraham, here's Willian. Chelsea rampant now. Oh, goodness me, what a finish that is. Willian's in on the act. And there's clear daylight now between Burnley and Chelsea. It's 4-0 at Turf Moor.
This is just remarkably well finished by Willian. Chelsea, they've got Burnley where they want them, obviously, with a scoreline, but they're forcing them to attack, and then this